How to use the Lofted Boss Base feature in Solidworks. You'll find the feature in the top left corner of your feature tab below the Swept Boss Base feature. It's grey and it tells you that it adds material between two or more profiles to create a solid feature. We'll have to sketch on profiles first, but in order to use the Lofted Boss Base we need like a 3D structure of sketches. So we're going to add some reference geometry, some planes. So you hover to your reference geometry, you click it, click plane, and it'll ask you for reference points. Our first reference point is going to be the front plane. Click it, and it'll offset a plane from this front plane. We're going to create two, because we want to use 3 sketches in our case. We're going to use 3 sketch profiles to create the lofted feature. 75 is a very nice number. Click OK. And we're going to show the front plane as well. So you click the front plane and then you click the show the eye icon, and we're going to start sketching on the front plane. It'll normal to automatically, but start off with a circle. We'll anchor the circle in the center. Sometimes it is a bit buggy. There it is. Smart dimension it. Exit sketch. Now we're going to go to our second one, create sketch. Normal to using Ctrl 8. We're going to use a square profile here. And we'll make it a very nice number, the magic number for everything of course, and create an equal relationship between all the lines. Exit sketch, and the third one on the third plane, click sketch, Ctrl 8 normal 2, and then we're going to finish with an ellipse. Let's make it a vertical ellipse and create a relationship between the horizontal point on the right side and the right vertical line of the square to be a midpoint to fully define the entire ellipse. Okay, click exit sketch, and then we can use the feature Lofted Boss Base. Clicking it, it'll ask you for the use of the profiles. You need to select them in order, in the right order to create a feature. So we're going to select the square and the circle, and voila, there it is. It's that easy to use the Lofted feature. There are a couple of options. The guide curve will influence or can influence the curvature that's experienced between the different profiles, but not relevant for this video. No centerline parameters because everything is centered to each other. No sketch tools, and the closed loft is absolutely not what we want here, which is just actually an extrusion on the outside of the profiles, which is not what we want. The thin feature is to create a hollow product. You can increase or decrease the wall size. It's not very interesting for us, so we'll leave it off. And then we click OK, and that's how you use the Lofted Boss Base feature. I hope you've enjoyed this very short tutorial. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back in the next videos.